Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. We're going to talk about some Artblock. Very exciting. Let's go ahead and see if we can start jumping into what we're looking at today. If you like what you see today, just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing and we'd like you to grow with us. So let's just go ahead and look at the Bitcoin price right now is at 104. Ethereum is at 2,500. We got a lot of nice prices jumping up here. Cardano's almost at 80 cents. Avalanche at $24. So let's see. Fear and greed. Definitely getting greedy here. We're getting at 75. The market is 3.33 trillion. So let's take a look at some Bitcoin dominance here. Bitcoin dominance. Let me refresh. Yep, still 62.1%. Ethereum 9.1, and the other is 28.8%. Now let's go ahead and start jumping into Artblock. Now, I want you to notice something about Artblock. First of all, this particular coin is poised for a great breakout. Yeah, I know it's already gotten over $1. And we kept harping on it saying, hey, it's going to get to $1, going to get to $1, going to get to $1. But there's so many positive things that are coming out about Artblock. We just got to talk about it again. So let's go ahead and look right here. It's holding steady at a little bit over 1% as far as for the 24-hour period here. Over the 1 week, I think it's still holding steady as well. Let's see what, up like 4%. The 1 month, I think is yeah. Wow. Over the 1 month, it's almost doubled in price. So just a little bit of a heads up on that. Make sure you keep that in mind. But I want you guys to see the potential here. Whenever you see this, the 1 year is in the red like this, that's telling you that there's a whole lot of potential. At this time last year, at the end of the month, the price was at like $4. So we haven't got to the end of the month as of yet, but we also have a lot of positive momentum. So just to show you, even as you see this little trench going this way, this way, this way, and it's making a consistent climb up as far as, if you can see, there's a nice little stair step. Let me see if I can kind of mess with this a little bit. Yeah, take a look. This is a little bit more dramatic, as you can see, going down here and you're working your way up. See that little stair step as it's going this way. So just to show you that it appears that if we don't have any major hiccups or issues, it's going to be rising up in this direction really soon. So let's just go ahead and talk about some positive news that we are seeing with Artblock. Now, let me look at the all-time just for the heck of it. At the all-time, it's down just a little bit. This is really good. So this is a lot of positive news coming our way just to show us that we have a lot of potential, lots of potential. This is exciting because this was the last, let's see. Oh, hold on. That was not too long ago. Wow. This thing is really going to be in good standing. So I got a feeling, guys, going to see some, whoa, I have no idea where this is going to go, but let's just say it looks good. Now, not financial advice, of course. Nothing we say on the channel is financial advice, but Artblock is looking good. Let's just go ahead and talk about why. We don't want to just say, oh, it's looking good. Oh, it's a chart. Let's just read you some good positive information, which will help you to understand why. Now, this is from 99 Bitcoins, and this is the news. Gasless chain, the new meta. Artblock, ABT, crypto skyrocketing. So this is from just a few days ago. It says, it's a new week and another winner is gaining huge traction. Crypto project Artblock is currently sitting at, and it's like a little bit over $1.14 at that particular time, accumulating for the next jump. And that's what I think is happening right now. I think it's accumulating at the dollar range here. It says with volume exceeding 10 billion for the last 24 hours and market capitalization of 112 million. Looks like something is brewing here. Exactly what's going on. Why is it pumping? Is gasless meta the new hot topic? Let's find out. So let's just go ahead and take a nice look at this. This is some really good information, and it is worth reading. It says, let's see, Artblock price analysis and the new crypto meta. Recent weeks have been very eventful for Artblock. The project has raised 45 million through an ICO and was launched early in what's this, 2018. What makes Artblock unique is that by staking one token, You get no gas fees for transactions. On top of that, they integrated AI into their application engine, AIGNE, further increasing their exposure to the new trendy wave while they put their community on the edge with Twitter teases. So May 4th, we got that great announcement on May the 4th. Nothing would be the same. Now, it says the past month, Artblock price has surged by more than 200%, putting the crypto project on the front line. On the 22nd of April 2025, it broke a big resistance in the face of a 200 smooth moving average SMA from what we got 42 cents, pumped staggeringly 170% to the $1.10 mark. Right after that, it had a period of 11 days consolidating on previous resistance. Now support starting a second leg up. That led to another 70% jump to the what's this? Looks like $1.40 mark. So let's go ahead and read a little bit more. All right. So on the weekly time frame, things also look great. So it says the RSI 14 indicator looks like bottomed out and switching to the positive side, preparing to jump. Price is finally getting out of the descending channel that has been there for quite a while. The next level is that the price has its eyes on is around $2.14. After that comes the all-time high resistance, which is currently sitting at $4.75. Soon after we break those resistances, the only limit is the sky. Guys, just saying, think about it. Artblock, Artblock, Artblock. Now, just a little bit of a heads up on this information here. It says with this volume, we can see positive technical indicators that indicate that Artblock is not forgotten. We need technology like the project offers, and it has a bright future. Just saying, guys, this is really good stuff. Early birds got the worms. In the ever-evolving crypto space, being first in new tech is always if you want to ride the huge gains. As Artblock is one of the first gasless projects, similarly, so just to give you a heads up, let's just go ahead and stop right there on that one. So, I mean, this is really looking great. I think there's another article. Let's go into it as well. This is EIN Press Wire by Newsmatics. Let's go ahead and look at this. Artblock launches ArcSphere, the world's first AI native browser, available now. This was awesome. We already talked about this a little bit, but let's talk about it a little bit more. ArcSphere delivers a private, intelligent web experience featuring innovative spatial tabs for enhanced organization. So this is out of Seattle, and this is from, let's see, Artblock, a pioneer in decentralized identity and AI, launched the ArcSphere, the world's first AI native browser. When it says world's first AI native browser, guys, world's first, money, AI, money, native browser, money. Just saying, things are going to go well immediately for iOS and Android. So just a heads up. So on both, it says right here, ArcSphere delivers an entirely new web experience that is smarter and more intuitive. The Artblock team reimagined how users navigate and interact. So we know that, I mean, it's just some amazing things that are going on right here. So the key features are in Artblock. Intelligent, always on AI assistant. And we got the decentralized identity framework. Let's see, personalized AI understanding, spatial tabs. This thing is going to be amazing. Zero trackers, privacy, decentralized web integration. I'm just saying, this thing is loaded. ArcSphere. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let's see if I can play. I played this the last time, but let me see if I can play this again. This was, let me see if I can move that. Yeah. So I wanted to play this full screen because I think we saw a partial screen, but I want you guys to see what the new ArcSphere offers. So this is what it can do on the phone. I mean, on your your smartphone, or I think you can do it on other sites as well. With just a little bit of a heads up on what it should look like. All right, let's go. Let's just go ahead and see if we can show this real quick. Okay, once again, Artblock is impressing and just being more impressive than ever. Let me just move that out of the way. So just a heads up, guys, this thing is really moving forward. Artblock, this is the Twitter website. Utility, utility, utility. So this is really going to be great as far as moving forward. Is there anything else on here? Yes, also Artblock says made in the USA crypto that provides real utility. Artblock is 100% US based and is featured on CoinMarketCap's list of top coins made in America. Guys, this thing is going to blow up. Just saying. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. And let's look at the crypto bubbles for 1 second. If I'm looking at the hour, it's up a little bit. I'm looking at the day, it's up a little bit. The week is way down here. I don't mind it being down here. And even on the, well, this is the month. That is pretty impressive. And it's one of the bigger bubbles over the month. Just to give you a heads up that it's got that momentum. But when you see the year, and I think it's down over the year, when you see that, yes, it is way down on the year. I am liking this as an investor because I know this sucker has all kinds of momentum and I have a lot of potential to grow. I'm thinking at least a 30x from here. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm just saying that this thing has a lot of room to grow. I think it's going to do very well. And I think the fact that it's cornered certain areas of the market and it's the first AI browser to a certain extent. I think this is incredible. So, guys, you can't go wrong with Artblock. Artblock is looking amazing. And I think that the best thing to do, if you got the opportunity, and like I said, not financial advice, but if you got the opportunity to take advantage of the Artblock. So, this is Al with Real Life Investing. Thank you for listening, and you guys have a great day. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.